Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be talking about ad copy. Okay, so and while making an Facebook ad, as important it is to have a good ad graphics, it is important to have a good ad copy. So today in this video I'll be talking how can you write an effective ad copy for running a Facebook ad. So if you guys are interested, keep watching the video till the end. And before we start with the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Alright, so let's go on and start with the video. People don't usually put much attention on the ad copy. Okay, they simply just write a sentence which is directly telling something like, okay, buy my course, or telling me buy my products, or anything like that, which is direct. Okay, so that does not help. Okay, that will not help you to convert the people watching your ad into your customers. Okay, because ad copy gives you an opportunity to talk to your audience and actually convert them into your customers. So writing an effective ad copy is very important. Yes, the graphics, the pictures you're using, the videos you're using is of course definitely important, but the writing, the way what you write in your ad, and the way you express, the way you write the ad, that is what will help you to hook your customers. All right, so most important thing when you write an ad copy is to know what are the pain points of your customers. Okay, so it is basically like, okay, suppose whatever services you have or whatever products you are providing to your customers, so it is important to know, okay, why would that customer use your product. Okay, what are the problems they are facing, and your product can help them to and how will your service actually help your customers. Okay, so that is very important when you write ad copy, that you need to know about it. Okay, when there are two things. Okay, ad headline and an ad copy. Okay, so when we talk about ad headline, then that should be on point. Okay, like what are you giving? Okay, this is it can be, this is a free course about marketing, or okay, or anything like that. Okay, and if you are something like a shoe company, or like a brand, or if you are selling products, okay, then that ad copy is not much of importance. Then your graphics plays a much important role. But when we talk about anything, if you are selling a course, or if you are a business coach, or if you have something which people need to which are solving people's problem, okay, like anything which is solving people's problem, then you need to tell that, okay, this is the problem you are facing and I will help you get out of it. Okay, so something like that. So when you write a ad headline, then that will be very direct, talking on point, like, okay, this is the service I am providing and this will help you. Okay, that is very direct when you write a ad headline. When you're writing a copy, okay, you can start with addressing the problem. Okay, so this is the problem faced by you. Okay, and this is the problem faced by you. Then try to hook them. Okay, tell them, okay, this is your problem, I know about this problem, okay, I can help you out this problem. Okay, try hooking them over the problem, okay, they are facing. Now the next thing is bait. Okay, so hook and bait, just like when you're fishing. Okay, so once you have hooked the person, then tell them that why should they trust you, what do you have that can help, that can actually help them out of their problems. Okay, expand more on the headline. Okay, tell them why should they take up your offer. Okay, but how can you help them? Okay, why you are the best at this particular thing. Okay, then you should express all of that in the ad copy. Okay, so you should use simple words. You don't have to use very high sophisticated words and make it look more complicated. Keep it simple, use simple words. Okay, keep it clean. Okay, you make it understandable, and don't beat around the bush all the time. Okay, you have to be straight on the point, and you have to address the problem faced by that person. Why are you the best person that can help them? Okay, so yeah, so these are the points you need to write you need to know to write an effective ad copy. Okay, so hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel if you haven't till now, and yeah, and turn on the bell notification. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and thank you.